Welcome to my viewers again. Let us resolve a few numerical problems on percentage. Suppose question number 1, 8% of 1 meter. So we have to find out 8% of 1 meter. Now what is 8%? 8% means 8 by 100. 8 by 100. And 1 meter equal to 1 meter is 100 cm, 100 centimeter. Now 8% of 1 meter means 8 by 100 into 100 centimeter. So cancel 100 and 100, 100 on the 100, 8 centimeter. That is 8% of 1 meter is 8 centimeter. Next, suppose what is 2.5% of 100? 2.5% of 100. Find 2.5% of 100. Now 2.5% means you convert this into improper fraction. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2% of 100. Now 5 by 2%. 5 by 2%. Percent means it is divided by 100. Just like 8% means 8 by 100. 5 by 2% means 5 by 2 by 100. 5 by 2 divided by 100 of 100. 5 by 2. Now if you change it into the multiplication, then you have to find a reciprocal of 100. Reciprocal means 1 by 100. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. So 5 by 2% of 100, 100 divided by 100 means multiplication. When you change division into multiplication, you have to change reciprocal of the successor. 1 by 100. Of means into 100. Now this 100 and this 100 you can cancel. 100 on the 100. This is 5 by 2 into 1 into 1 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2, that is 2.5. 5 by 2% of 100 means 5 by 2 divided by 100. 5 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 100 into 100. Now 100 and 100 cancel each other. So you got 5 by 2, 2.5. Similarly, suppose you are given 67.5% into fraction. How to change 67.5% into fraction? 67.5% equal to, you convert this into improper fraction. 67 multiplied by 2 plus numerator 1. This is 135. So 135 divided by 2 percent. Percent means divided by 100. Similarly, just like in the previous example, we will write it as 1 by 100. Now these two numbers are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 5 7s are. This is 5 into 20. So you got 27 ones are 27. 2 into 20, 40. So it is 27 by 40. Suppose you are given question number 4, change into fraction. Change into fraction. 0.0125%. Now 0.0125% means 0.0125 divided by 100. Now we'll try to eliminate the decimal. So there are 4 places behind the decimal. So we will multiply this numerator by 10,000, and to keep it equivalent, we will multiply the denominator by 10,000. Same number, 0.0125 into 10,000. Now this becomes 10 lakh, 1 lakh, 5 zeros, and this becomes 125. There are 4 places behind the decimal, so we are multiplying by 10,000. Now both these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 2 za, 5 5 za, 5 2 za, 0 0 0, 20,000. This is again 5 5 za, 5 4 za, 0 0 5 1 za, 5 8 za, 0 0. So you got 1 by 800. This is the answer. Next one example. Suppose question number 5. Change into percentage. Change into percentage. You are given 0.05, B say 7. Now 0.05 means 5 by 100. There are 2 places behind the decimal, so we got it 5 by 100. Now 5 by 100 means 5%. Percentage means out of 100, so out of 100 5 means 5%. Second, 7. Now we can express it as a fraction, 7 by 1. 7 by 1 means 7, same thing. Now we will try to make the denominator 100. So you multiply 1 by 100. Same thing, you multiply with the numerator. 7 multiplied by 100. 700 by 100. So out of 100, 700. So percentage means out of 100. So out of 100 is 700, 700%. So 7 is equivalent to 700%. That means if you convert 700% into a fraction or a number, what will you get? 700% means 700 divided by 100. Now 700 divided by 100 means 7. So 7 equal to 700% or 700% equal to 7. Now let us discuss one more example. What percent of 1 kg is 250 gram? Suppose you imagine this is a square shaped marble. Square shaped marble. It's a piece of marble slab. Its weight is 1 kg. Marble slab equal to 1 kg. Now 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram. So if you divide 1000 gram into 100 equal parts, you will get 10 gram. Now if you divide this marble slab into 100 equal parts, this is equally divided into 100 equal parts. So each of these small square will represent 10 gram. This 10 gram. Now to obtain 250 gram, how many such small squares will have to be added? Just keep on adding this first row, if you add the first row, how much you will get? 10 gram multiplied by 10, 100 grams. Then add the second row with the first row. Again, this is 100 gram plus 100 gram, 200 gram. Then 210, 220, 230, 240, 250 gram. So this shaded portion will represent 250 grams, right? Now this shaded portion means how many boxes? 25 boxes out of total 100 boxes. 25 boxes out of 100 boxes means 25 divided by 100. So 25 divided by 100 means 25%. So 250 gram is 25% of 1 kilogram. You can find it in another way. 25 gram, 250 gram of 1 kg. 250 gram out of 1 kg means 250 gram divided by 1 kilogram. There, 250 gram is what percent of 1 kilogram? So we'll convert 1 kg into 1000 gram. 250 gram. So same unit, we can cancel it. This becomes 250 by 1000. Now our intention is to convert this into percentage. So we will make the denominator 100. Now we can both these numbers are divisible by 10. If you divide this by 10, this becomes 250. We can cancel 1 0. 1000 divided by 10, 100. So this becomes 25 by 100. That means 25%. 25%. Similarly, suppose you are question number 2. Suppose rupees 220 is what percent of rupees 1000, or say rupees 2000. Rupees 220 is what percent of 2000? Now you divide 2000 into 100 equal parts. How much you will get? 20. So this, suppose this square box, this represent 2000 rupees. Now we are dividing it into 100 equal parts. Now each of this small square will represent 20 rupees. 2000 divided by 100, 20. So each of this small square, all of this small square, is 20, 20, 20, 20. So if you add the entire row, how much you will get? 20 into 10, 200. Right? That means if you add one more small square, this along with this row, how much you will get? 220 plus 200 plus 20, that means 220. So to obtain 220, we are shedding 11 boxes. 11 boxes out of 100 boxes. 11 divided by 100. That means 11%. So rupees 220 is 11% of 2000. We can find it in another way. 220 out of 2000. That means 220 divided by 2000. Right? Now we will try to convert the denominator into 100. So first we can divide this by 10. Both are divisible by 10, means we can cancel 1 0. This becomes 22 by 200. Again these are divisible by 2. 2 11s are 2 into 100, 200. 11 by 100. That means 11%. So you got the answer. This is 11 by 100, 11%. Let us take another example. There are 450 boys and 550 girls in a school. Last Friday, 150 students were absent in the school. What percent of students of the school are boys? What percent of the students are girls? By what percent girls are more than the boys in the school? What percent of students were absent in last Friday? And what percent of the students were present that day? Now you see number of boys. Number of boys 450. Number of girls 550. So you find total student. Total student. How much? This is 1000. 450 plus 500, 1000 students. Now out of 1000 students, boys 450 out of 1000 students. Now you convert this into percentage, cancel 10, we got 45 by 100, that means 45%. Boys 45%, girls 550 divided by 1000, you got it 55 divided by 100, that means 55%. So 55% are girls and 45% of the students are boys. So girls more than boys, girls more than boys by 55 minus 45 equal to 10%. 10% students, 10% girls, 10% of the students are more than boys. Means there are 10% more girls than boys in that school. 10% more girls in that school. Now, by what percent girls are more than boys? 10%. What percent of the students were absent on Friday? Absent on Friday. Friday, 150 students were absent. 150 out of 1000. That means 15 by 100 equal to 15%. 15% students were absent. So, students present on Friday. Student present on Friday. How much? 100 minus 15. Total student, we call it 100%. So 15% students were absent, means 85% students were present that day. So up to this much only for today. We'll discuss some more problems in the next class. Bye bye.